No, I can't see. In 12 seconds. Where did the, there we go.
Are we live?
I think we are. I'm not really sure.
It says live.
It says live. I can't see us.
Okay, let's see. Give us just one moment, guys. We're having some technical difficulties. This is our first time going live. So, yes, we are live right now.
Oh, where are you at? And why am I not seeing that?
Don't worry, the flower's going over. That one's live, too. We're having a great start.
Hi guys, I'm Chris and this is Sophia and we're with Roatan Life Real Estate, and today we're live at a virtual open house for you guys in West End at Mangrove Bight Views. It's a MLS listing 20-178 and it's listed at $795,000.
This is a great listing in the heart of West End. Chris, how many bedrooms and bathrooms do we have in this?
So we have 6 units and we've got 2 2-bedrooms and 4 studios. So we actually have a total of 8 bedrooms and 8.5 bathrooms.
And this is an income producing property as well?
Absolutely. With only a 3-minute walk to West End, we are definitely in the prime rental area.
And I see some water over there. Do you have water access?
We do. We actually have a shared dock access onto Mangrove Bight, so we actually get this great wind that knocked over the flowers. And it gives a nice breeze pretty much year round right here, which is great.
Wonderful. Okay, so are we going to walk through this property?
Yeah, let's go take a walk. But let's have a quick chat real quick because the owners have actually done some great upgrades to the property just recently and preparing it to sell. In 2018, they actually put in new decks and water sealed the new decks.
Nice.
In 2019, we actually put on a brand new roof, which is great. And also they resupplied all the units with new sheets and linens and towels. And as well, in 2020, they actually did a brand new paint job exteriorly, and a few of the units actually got painted as well. And they've also added 4 storage units for the studio units.
That's great.
Yeah, so they've done a lot of work.
They have.
And another great feature on this property is that each unit is actually individually surveyed and has individual catastrals. So if somebody wanted to, they could actually sell them off as individuals whenever they wanted.
That's great. Gives you lots of options.
We like options. Should we take a tour? You want to take us
Let's
through?
do this.
All right.
So let's give everybody a quick little view of this patio that's right off of the living and dining area. Living area with AC, which is great in case you do want to cool things off a little bit.
Can you see? Okay, great.
Okay, and let's have a quick look here at this kitchen. Full, spacious kitchen.
Well equipped.
Well equipped, yes, absolutely. And then over here we have a half bath and we have laundry. And we'll come back through the living space so that we can take a look upstairs. Not a bad view from this dining area. Lots of windows and lots of natural light. Let's go upstairs. Hi guys, we're here in the master bedroom. Come and have a look.
Ooh, very nice. A deck off the back.
So spacious private deck that's overlooking the Mangrove Bight. Lots of mangroves, and this is the access to the dock right here. And through the master bedroom, we do have a master bath.
Nice little ensuite. Big shower.
What a great area for an office.
Absolutely. Could definitely get some work done there.
And here is the guest bedroom, which also has its own private bath. Let's head on back downstairs so that we can see two of the rental units. Wow, Chris, look at that view. So many tropical trees.
Gorgeous. Great place to relax. And then there's also, for a rental building, we actually have an exterior laundry center here. So if you're doing it as a rental business, easy to do changeovers.
Wonderful. And how many fruit trees do we have on the property? I think I have mangoes over here, right?
Oh yes, and lots of banana trees, and I believe there's some citrus fruits as well.
Wonderful.
This is the second 2-bedroom here. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, pretty much a mirror of the other unit.
Wonderful. So each of these units has its own private entrance?
Yeah, everybody has their own private entrance. They have their own little balconies as well. So we'll take a look at number 12 here.
Wonderful.
After you, Sophia.
Thank you. Nice peaceful colors.
Mm-hmm. Freshly painted.
Wonderful. Oh, and there's a full bath over here.
Got a nice big shower. Plenty of storage.
And a kitchenette so that your guests can prepare for themselves any meals that they may want to have.
Which is really a nice feature for a rental.
But living in West End, I'm not quite sure you'd even want to do that. There's so many great restaurant opportunities.
I agree. I hate cooking and cleaning up. So here we are in the nice private patio.
Wow, this is great.
And again, we're getting that great breeze. It's really nice.
Such a great breeze.
And it's surrounded by a tropical garden. It's great.
And this deck is quite private. You can almost not even see your neighbors.
Yeah, and you could definitely hang out on the hammock. This would be a nice place after a day of diving.
Absolutely.
Let's check out one more.
Perfect. So you said there is a total of 4 studio apartments in this complex, right?
That's right. We've got 4 studios and 2 2-bedrooms.
Wonderful. And they have their own storage?
Yeah,
There's a closet and storage additionally, right?
yeah, so the studios actually have outdoor storage as well. So if you get some full-time residents, they can also store some of their dive gear and things like that.
So you could do long-term or short-term here.
Absolutely. There is a real shortage of long-term rentals in West End, so this could be a great opportunity.
I wouldn't mind spending some time here.
Right? This is perfect. Some morning coffee, maybe some wine.
Absolutely.
Yeah, very nice.
Very, very nice.
Well, what do you think? Should we go take a walk over at the deck or the dock, or should we answer any questions?
Let's see if there's any questions going on. Give us a moment. We just need to figure out how to do that.
I don't know.
Oh, let's try that one.
That one?
Yeah. No, stay on this one. Yeah. Okay, well, we're going to get back to you guys as soon as we're done with our live stream with any questions, because unfortunately
We can't multitask on this yet, but we promise that for our next open house, we definitely will have that feature under wraps.
We'll figure it out. We'll see you guys next week at another listing here in West End, because as we are still on lockdown here in Roatan, we are on a number system. So Monday through Friday, we're allowed out
Once a week.
once a week if you have a good, if you're lucky. Otherwise, you wait until the next week. But both Sophia and I both live here in West End, so we'll be sure to see you guys next week. But first, check out our videos of the dock. We'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.